Morning. How we doing today? It is Monday. I am not in the best mood. No lie. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But I made it to the gym. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Moments like this, well, right now, I'm not in the best mood because I am sad. And moments like this, I will give up. I consider this a non-scale victory because I showed up. Here, I'm not giving up on today. I'm not giving up on this week. Moments like this, I will stay at home and eat my emotions. Eat bags of chips. Eat burgers. Eat whatever I can get my hands on, whatever I can cook. And just eat until I can't eat anymore, until I'm miserable and I sleep my pain away. But I refuse to do that. I refuse to be that person. I refuse to be that girl. So I consider this gym day a non-scale victory day because I simply just showed up. So yeah, you know the drill. I'm gonna record what I can if I can. And yeah, I'll see you afterwards. Deuces. Good morning, you guys. It is Tuesday, and I decided that I'm going to work out again at home. I'll work out on the inside today. Fuck that. I don't like outside critters. I don't like outside. So I'm gonna work out inside. No. Broke a little sweat. Not as much sweat as I wanted to, but the job is done. At home workout is done for today. That was today's workout. Yeah. Now I'm about to eat something real fast, and I'll see you guys later. Deuces. Hi, you guys. This is my post-workout meal. It's a ground turkey fajita bowl. I actually do have a video coming up on this. It will be up either later this week or next week, or I don't know when. But yes, I do have a video coming out on this. It has roasted bell peppers, ground turkey, black beans, salsa, and cheese with a bed of rice up under. And yeah, I'm about to tear this up. Good morning. What's up? What's up? What's up? It is Thursday. No, it's not. Oh my God. It is Wednesday. I'm at the gym. Gonna record what I can when I get in there, and I'll see you guys in there. Bye. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Hey everyone, just got done working out. It was a quick little workout or whatever. Yeah, had to do what I had to do. Oh, I hope yes, I'm in there. I'm in this hole. You in there? Okay. Whew. Yeah, it was a quick little workout. It's like 30 minutes long, unfortunately, because I have somewhere to go. I'm pressed for time. But honestly, that was like the quickest, best. Oh, my nose, a little crusty. Okay, oh God. That was like the quickest, best workout I've had in a while. I tried out the Bosu ball, as you can tell, and you know, it wasn't that bad. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't that bad. So I may be working with that again in the future. You never know. Okay, my face is starting to look smaller. Ooh. Okay, Slim Jimmy season before birthday. Okay, it is the first day of spring, and I am so excited. Okay, side note, it's the first day of spring, and I'm so excited because it's the first day of my birthday season. So your girl is like ready for a vacation, ready for that birthday, ready for a vacation, because I'm finna wild out, period. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's workout. Deuces. Good morning. Today is Thursday. Yeah, the week is almost over. I'm about to get up and go work out at home today. And I'm gonna record it and I'll show you guys. Y'all, I know it is like so random, but I just found a dress I have not been able to wear. Like, my pooch was just too big for it. And like, I put it on and I look snatched as fuck. Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. This is like a major non-scale victory, because I'm like, I always get, when it comes to working out, and when I work out for a while, I stop seeing results in myself and I depend on the scale. So that's the whole purpose of this week, doing non-scale victories. And when I put on that dress and I saw how snatched I look, I'll insert a picture, like right here or something. Whatever, I'll insert it right here. I like, or over here, or whatever. But yeah, I like put on that dress, and compared to how I looked like last year, I was like, oh my gosh, I look completely different. Like, I look sexy, I look like a... So the motivation is back, the motivation is real, the motivation ain't going nowhere, the motivation ain't dwindling anymore. So now, I'm about to go work out in the next clip. Boop! Was it so bad? Even though I'm not sweaty, it's because the wind is out here. And as soon as I sweat, it kind of like dries up the sweat because it's so windy. But today's workout was good. So, yeah, tomorrow is what? Friday? I will report to you guys tomorrow. Deuces. Okay, you guys, I just got back from the gym. It is Friday night. And I think I'm gonna close out the vlog right here. So, yeah, I just wanted to leave this week on the note that you don't always have to depend on the scale. That you can see your progress in more ways than just that number on the scale. So like, don't depend on it so much, and just stay focused and keep going. That's how I wanted to close out the vlog this week. So I'll see you guys next week. Deuces.